Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Tesla Model 3 keycard. First, ensure you have both your existing keycard and the new one ready. Head into your Tesla and access the large central touchscreen. From the main menu, you'll want to tap on the Controls icon, which looks like a car. Then, locate and select the Locks tab to begin the process. This is where all your key management happens. Now, with the Locks menu open, place your currently active keycard on the center console, directly behind the cup holders. The screen will prompt you to tap Add Key. Once you do, remove the old card and immediately place the new keycard in the same spot. Hold it there for a few seconds until the screen confirms it has been successfully added. It's a quick and straightforward process. After adding your new keycard, you can personalize its settings. On the touchscreen, you'll see an option to rename the keycard, making it easy to identify. You can also link it to a specific driver profile, ensuring your seat, mirror, and steering wheel settings are automatically adjusted when you enter. Explore the options to customize automatic locking and unlocking behaviors for added convenience. If you encounter any issues, first double-check that your keycard is placed precisely on the center console's reader. Sometimes, a slight adjustment is all it takes. Also, ensure your Tesla's software is up to date, as updates often include bug fixes and improved functionality. If problems persist, a simple vehicle restart can sometimes resolve minor glitches. Remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.